Now we're moving on to the neckline just so we can see where we need a detail on the taper. I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. I find that it's easier. It's always best to detail after you put a line in, because you get to see where the dark spots are. So I'm heading back to the high taper on the side after I'm done lining up the neckline. Now that we're done detailing the fade, we can now detail the lining. Right before I blend in the beard, I always make sure I level out the sideburn and make sure it's bald, and then I start off with my no guard all the way open. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. Moving on to the front line, we're going to use our Gold FX to make them as crispy as possible. I usually start off in the middle and work my way to the sides, especially if they have light spots. When lining up someone's beard, especially when the hair is curly, you want to make sure the hair is feeding into the teeth of the trimmer. Also, you're going against the grain and making sure you're cutting the hair, because you could hit it multiple times and the hair not cut. Moving on to the Turkish Razor and Derby Premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible. You want to make sure you're going against the grain, especially if the client could take it. If they can't, do not go against the grain, only use either the trimmers or just go with the grain with the razor.